Never skip an Hermes airport. Let's go to a new Hermes airport and try if we can score a bag. Implement the processes that I've talked about, my tips and tricks, and see how we can score a bag. So come shopping with me at Hermes airport. Yee. Okay. As I mentioned, it's the new Hermes airport at Charles de Gaulle airport. There's 3 in Paris at Charles de Gaulle. I've never been to this one, so we're gonna try fresh. Okay. And first, also, I was at the lounge. Look at this lady's cute little bag. Her bag and Rolly. Okay. I digress. Anyway, okay, back to the Hermes. Never been to this one. There's 3. There's one in the M terminal, the one in the K terminal, one in the L terminal, I believe. All in 2EK, all in international. I've tried the other 2. I've been lucky at the other. It's a brand new one, so I have no relationship, no sales associate, no nothing, okay? So this is how I play it when I go in, for those of you that have asked. Well, this was a very busy airport. This has happened in the past where I go to airports and they're so busy they don't even attend to you, they don't talk to you. They're just all in their own world. And it's usually when it's a madhouse zoo with a lot of people, the chance of getting a bag is significantly slim because everyone's probably already asked. So I went for a walk around the store. I did not get attended to for a while, which was surprising, but I think it's because everyone was busy, but also because I was carrying a lot of Hermes on. Usually that has someone come up to me. There was a lady that came up to me, but she said she was with someone else. And there was another guy that came up to me, but he said he was helping someone else, but they said they'll get to me. So the guy was going to help me. And then the lady came after and I said the guy was already going to help me. But anyway, this gave me time to go look around the store. It's a decent sized for an airport. I know that they're remodeling one of the other ones and they're going to make it much bigger. I think they're going to close at all of them and make one big one maybe, or just make that one bigger. For sure, that one's going to get big. Anyway, the front sections, the twillies and scarves and the bags are on the left. There weren't that many. Back here are the men's apparel and clothes, jewelry behind this wall. And then over there is women's, I think, apparel and jewelry, and this big giant wall of all the boxes, costume jewelry and everything like that. Sorry, we're going to do a tour first and then I'll tell you. And then there's some more women's clothes. The men's clothes section was a lot bigger. I wonder if that's just because this is the terminal. I want to say it's M. I can't remember now. This is a while ago. This was on my flight from my Paris trip to India. So this is over a month ago. Anyway, I was having a terrible day at the airport. I'll tell you guys about that. Another story, I lost my stuff at the security. Covered in sweat, started bleeding. Okay, this was my fit. Sweats, comfy sweats with a giant Birkin and a mini Kelly. Figured enough to basically draw a little tension, but it didn't draw any tension. Just kidding. Anyway, all right. I'm joking with all this, you guys. Okay, so this is my game that I play usually. I go in, I walk around and check out the store. I shop for what I want to shop for. There's a few things I always want to check and see if they have. Things that I always want at most stores or that I can't find in other stores. Those are small items that you can ask for, that are common, that are easy, not too expensive, won't break the bank. Also will show your interest and love for the brand because you can talk about the different leathers or the different things or reasons you want them. So I usually go in with twillies, bag charms, sandals, and bracelets. Small leather goods, all small things. So I'll say what color I want, what style I want, what leather I want. Usually shows that I understand the brand, know the brand, love the brand, blah, 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 any of that. So finally, when the guy came in to attend to me, I said I wanted a twilly for my Kelly 28, which is my Barania new one that I got. And I brought it out and showed it to him. And he showed me this scarf right here, which actually goes really, really well with. I was kind of leaning towards bags. I was also running out of time. I was running a little late, so I had to go a little fast and rough. The next thing I said I wanted to see some bag charm and the little pouch organizer. And this guy was kind of curt. He wasn't very friendly. I tried to talk to him, connect to him. I told him about my experience at the other store and how I have a great history there. And he was basically like, you should keep shopping there then because this is what we have. And finally, I just asked blunt, do you have any bags? And he said no. But he did bring out these 4 horsey charms and I ended up buying one just to start to build a relationship, even though I didn't really love the person. I just wanted to have a purchase history and build a relationship with the store a little bit. So I took this pink one, which matches my other pink charms. Anyway, so I guess I could have skipped this one because I wasn't lucky. I failed. But you never know. That's why I always say you should